Good morning. This is K. Saktikumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Here I am going to take a class on grassland ecosystem, and I am going to handle the paper called Environmental Science and Engineering. So grassland ecosystem, it is a kind of terrestrial ecosystem, and the introduction of grassland ecosystem, grasslands are the areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses and other herbaceous like non-woody plants. Grassland occupy about 24% of the earth's surface. Grassland occurs in region too dry for forests and too moist for the deserts. The annual rainfall ranges between the 25 to 75 centimeter usually in the seasonal. The principal grasslands include prairies, which is located in Canada, USA, pampas, which is located in South America, steppes, which is there in Europe and Asia, velds, which is in Africa. The highest abundance of greatest diversity of large mammals are found in these ecosystems. The dominant animals species includes wild horses, asses, antelope of Eurasia, herds of bison of America, and the antelope and other large herbivores of Africa. And what are the structure and functions of grassland ecosystem? So the biotic components of grassland ecosystems, which can be producers, consumer and decomposers. In the case of producers, in the grassland, producers are mainly grasses, though a few herbs and shrubs also contribute to primary productions of biomass. Some of the most common species of grasses are Brachyria sp, Cynodon sp, Desmodium sp, Digitaria sp. And the consumers in a grassland, consumers are of three main types: primary, secondary and tertiary consumers. Primary are the consumers which is feeding directly on grasses. These are grazing animals such as cows, buffaloes, sheep, goat, deer, rabbit, etc. Besides them, numerous species like insects, termites, etc. also be present. And the secondary consumers are the animals which are carnivores that feed on primary consumers. That includes frogs, snakes, lizards, birds, fox, jackals, these kind of animals. So, and the tertiary consumers, which includes hawks, eagles, okay, which feed on secondary consumer. And finally, decomposers. These include variety of saprotrophic microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes. They attract the dead or decayed bodies of organisms, and thus decomposition takes place. So therefore, nutrients are released for reuse by producers. And the abiotic components of the grassland ecosystem, which includes basic inorganic and organic compounds present in the soil, aerial environment, the essential elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc., which are supplied by the water, nitrogen, nitrates, sulfates, phosphates present in the soil atmosphere. So that's all for the grassland ecosystem. Thank you for your kind attention.